In this video, you'll learn how to debug Base44 generated code effectively. This guide will take you step by step through the process, ensuring you can navigate the platform with ease and pinpoint any. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Base44 and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Base44 login screen. If prompted, enter your username and password, then click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, look for the recent apps section on your dashboard. Click on it to view the list of applications you have recently worked on. This will allow you to quickly find the project you want to debug. Next, locate the specific project you wish to debug from the list. Click on the project name to open it. Once the project page loads, you should see a variety of options related to your project on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, find and click on the dashboard option in the project menu. This will take you to the main dashboard for your project, where you can manage different aspects of the application. After reaching the dashboard, look for the code option in the menu. Click on this to access the code editing workspace. Here you will find the various code files associated with your project. Once in the code workspace, you will see a list of code files. Click on Code Files to expand this section. This will reveal the files available for editing and debugging. Next, select a specific file to debug. For example, you might click on that API file. This action will open the file in the code editor, allowing you to review and edit the code as necessary. After that, locate the functions such as useQuery, useMutation, and useQuery client within the file. Click on these functions to analyze their implementation and debug any issues you may encounter. If you encounter a message indicating that code editing is only available on paid plans, you will need to upgrade your subscription to access this feature. Click on the prompt to view the available subscription options. Finally, if you are not subscribed, you will see a message stating that you must subscribe to debug code. Follow the instructions to complete your subscription, allowing you to access the full debugging capabilities of Base44. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.